A garage is often one of the most overlooked part of a home. It is the space where things get stored, stacked, or forgotten. In reality, it is a blank canvas, a room with enormous potential to bring order, craftsmanship, and even design character into everyday life. And wood, interestingly enough, can transform that utilitarian space into something warm, organized, and almost workshop like, practical yet personal. When people think of garage storage, they often picture metal racks or plastic bins. Those work, sure, but they rarely add atmosphere. Wooden storage, on the other hand, does more than hold things. It changes how the space feels. It brings a sense of permanence, structure, and craftsmanship, turning a purely functional area into one that actually feels designed. Let's start with the basics. A garage at its core needs three types of storage: vertical, horizontal, and modular. Wood can handle all three beautifully. Vertical storage is the backbone. Tall shelving units or wall-mounted racks that use height efficiently. Pine, plywood, or reclaimed boards can be built into strong, simple frames that keep stools, boxes, and paint cans within reach without cluttering the floor. And when the wood is sealed properly, it stands up well to the temperature shifts and humidity. Horizontal storage, like long wooden workbenches or wall-mounted cabinets, gives the garage its visual rhythm. A sturdy wooden counter instantly makes a space feel intentional. Whether you're fixing a bike, potting plants, or working on a weekend project, it is not just storage, it is workspace. It tells you that this place is for doing, not just dumping. Then there's modular storage, smaller wooden crates, cubbies, or drawer systems that can move or stack depending on what you are storing. This makes the space adaptable. One weekend, it is a mechanic corner. The next, a woodworking zone. That flexibility is a key in modern home design, even for something as humble as a garage. And there is something satisfying about the tactility of wood in its environment. It is raw, honest, and forgiving. A scratch on a wood shelf looks like use, not damage. Unlike metal or plastic, wood ages with character. It absorbs your habits, your work, your weekends. A major advantage of wood is how customizable it is. You can build around the shape of your garage, a corner that fits a lawnmower perfectly, a narrow vertical rack for tools, or a ceiling hung frame for bicycles. Because wood is easy to cut, reinforce, or expand, it evolves with your needs. It is the material of flexibility, especially when combined with clever joinery or modular design. And don't underestimate aesthetics. Even if you don't think of a garage as a designed space, visual order matters. A wooden shelving system with consistent tone and form instantly calms visual chaos. It creates a sense of structure, everything in its place, everything part of a system. And if you use reclaimed wood, it carries personality. Subtle imperfections, that softens the hard edges of this space. Lighting is another underrated element. When paired with warm LED strips under wooden shelves or along workbench edges, the whole garage takes on a workshop glow, functional but inviting. It is no longer a cold storage zone. It is a creative environment. From a sustainability point of view, wooden garage storage also makes sense. Instead of buying disposable plastic bins, you can build or repurpose wood that might otherwise go to waste. It is more eco-friendly and more personal. Plus, when you design it yourself, you build exactly what you need. Nothing more, nothing less. Think of it this way. The garage is one of the few spaces in a home where practicality and creativity meet head-on. You want things to be efficient, but also want them to feel right. Wood gives you both. And beyond organization, there is something psychologically grounding about a well-structured garage. Walking into a space that is organized in wood rather than cold metal instantly feels calmer, warmer, and more human. So, maybe it is time to stop thinking of your garage as a leftover space. Start thinking of it as a reflection of how you live. Resourceful, creative, and grounded in real craftsmanship. So until next time, happy decorating.